Okay, hello guys. It's me here back and playing Subway Surfers. Now, you're probably thinking I don't have a lot of keys. Well, I just got the star outfit. I don't have any of these. I just started on this. I just have my tablet that I'm good at. I don't know why though. But it's just a thing. Okay. Just saying, it's just a thing. So let's just get into it because I don't have anything else to say. Why am I talking? Okay, but I don't have anything else to say, so let's just get into it. I'm not gonna watch any ads today, and I think they have a new event going on, and I'm really bad at Subway Surfers on mobile. Wait, what? But I'm not really good at Subway Surfers, but sometimes you just gotta deal with it. I was playing this earlier today. I almost collected Dash, but not quite. Not quite. Oh, I turned over. I'm trying to save up keys because someone, I forgot who for some reason, but someone told me when you get coins, when you think you have so much keys, it's not weird. It's weird actually. It's weird to say, oh, I'm gonna use all my keys. It's braggy. Yeah, it's really, I almost crashed. It's really blue. Okay, I got Dash and I should get a mystery box. But I don't know either. Okay. But I will be doing, don't worry, I will be doing a live stream tomorrow because every Saturday I do a live stream. So I will be doing a live stream tomorrow, and make sure to check out my other videos. Now, I don't all do gaming videos, but apparently sometimes I do. So, yeah. Well, I should have got that. I have 0 of them. I don't play this often, but check out my other videos because I just told you I don't just do gaming. I have some fun and squishy videos, and don't worry because I lost my voice today. That's why this video, the last video I didn't talk. But I'm really sorry about that because I have I'm sick today, but I'm hoping I'm feeling better tomorrow because that's when I'm gonna do my live stream, and I'm gonna do it actually on gaming. So if you didn't know that, oh no, okay. If you didn't know that, then good for you. Let me just pause for a second. Just in time because I got a mystery box. Now I just paused because my mom had to ask me. My mom had to ask me something, but yeah. Or she had to tell me something. Because I'm not going to tell you what, because that's weird. I'm not going to rate Subway Surfers. Don't ask again. Well, maybe I shouldn't have done that because I love Subway Surfers so much. Okay, I'm just going to play. Now, don't get me wrong. I'm probably going to disable comments for this video because people are going to be screaming at me and saying, you're not good. I don't want to scream right now because I lost my voice. That's why I didn't talk in my last video. But, they're probably going to go, you're not good at anything, or you're not good at this game. So, you know what? I'm probably going to disable comments. If you don't scream, if you scream, I'm not going to pin your comment. If you don't scream, then I'm going to pin your comment. I'm going to like the comment, and I'm going to do everything I can to help you. But still, seriously. Ooh, oh, I forgot. It was a jetpack, and I'm not good at this particular game. No. Okay. With that, I have a song stuck in my head really badly, but I'm not gonna do anything about it. So make sure to subscribe, and turn your notifications on because I'm gonna be live tomorrow. I wanna get that. Did I get it? No, I don't think I did. It's okay. No, I don't think I did. I'm not gonna record. But I'm gonna end this video because I seriously am mad at myself for some reason. But goodbye, guys.